Introducing our elegantly designed wood grain SPC flooring S9004. This beautiful flooring option boasts a realistic wood grain pattern that looks and feels like authentic hardwood. Crafted using advanced stone plastic composite technology, it features a rigid core that ensures durability, stability, and easy maintenance. Its light brown color scheme blends well with any interior decor style, while the wood grain pattern provides a warm, natural feel. SPC floor is water resistant, making it suitable for high moisture areas and easy to clean spills. It comes in easy to install planks that lock into place for a seamless look either as a DIY project or installed by a professional. Elevate your home's design and add a touch of warmth and elegance with S9004.